Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I am a relationship coach. I help people all over the world figure out ways to be in healthy, happy relationships. And a lot of times people reach out to me after a breakup, separation, or when a divorce is already underway to try to understand how to heal broken trust, how to recreate attraction with someone that you may have loved and lost. And so I was talking to a client, a young lady yesterday, who told me he pushed me away. He pushed me away and made it impossible for me to love him. And here we are today, and it's a shame because we had everything going for us. And so we started to explore this notion together of why men push women away. And I could see that through our private coaching session, she was completely transformed. She was rejuvenated. She understood a lot of the dynamics that happened in her relationship. She understood why this man pushed her away, and she felt empowered to make it right. She finally understood. She clearly saw what she had to do to win him back and to build a healthier relationship. And so it inspired me to come into the studio today and to do a video on why men push women away and what you should do if your man has pushed you away. And in her case, and in many cases, men push women away when they feel either insecure or guilty. They feel insecure or threatened by their woman, perhaps because you are more established professionally than they are. Perhaps because they don't feel good enough for you. Perhaps because they have existential issues and they have not been able to live up to their potential or where they thought they would be at their stage in their life. And being with you only reminds them of what they have not yet accomplished. And so despite the fact that they love you, they feel compelled to push you away because you remind them that they're not where they're supposed to be. And that is very sad, and things can be done to make things right. The other cases that I've seen over the years very often is that men push women away when they feel guilty, perhaps because they cheated, perhaps because they were not able to live out their end of the bargain, or perhaps because they've changed, their feelings have changed and they feel guilty and they are unable to have the courage to end the relationship. They want to sabotage it in order for you to break up with them, to somehow get them to have a clear conscience. And this is a very sad dynamic, and one that I've seen very often because it's the double whammy. Not only are you losing the one you love, but at the same time, you are made to feel guilty for things that you haven't done. And there's a lot of toxicity there, right? Because in a lot of the cases that I've seen, women are cheated on, and then they are made to feel like they are somehow unfaithful, or that they are somehow promiscuous. And it's messed up. And when I see those types of dynamic, trust me that I'm pretty harsh. And a lot of times I've unfortunately had to tell clients, he just does not deserve you. You deserve a man that will treat you right for all that you are. And so it's probably best that you walk away. But in many cases, a healthy relationship is possible. That's what I told my client yesterday. The first step is, of course, to not blame yourself. Okay? Don't blame yourself. It is so easy to lose confidence or to feel insecure because you are rejected by someone that you care deeply about. And that's the worst thing that can happen. You will not inspire the person that you love if you feel insecure, not good enough, as if you were to blame for what has happened. If he pushed you away because of mistakes that you've made, if it was truly your fault, fine. Acknowledge that, apologize, and move forward. Don't drive yourself crazy. But if he was trying to blame you for things that you are not responsible for, you need to figure out a way to regain a sense of self-confidence quickly in order to bounce back and to position yourself in a way where you can attract him again. If you want to work, if you need help working on regaining self-confidence, reach out to us. This is what we do. We work with people who have broken hearts, who have an identity crisis, and we help get you back on your feet in order for you to be the best, most attractive version of yourself, and then to attract the one you love in a new and improved relationship. That is our motto. That is our formula. That is how we've helped people get back together after all sorts of complicated breakups and relationships. But the key, if he pushed you away, is for you to remember that you are the prize. You cannot chase this man. You cannot chase this man. He needs to realize his mistakes. He needs to realize that he's downgraded, or that life without you is not what he thought it could be. And many women, unfortunately, cling on and desperately seek a man's validation that does not deserve it. You are sending the wrong message. The more this man treats you like crap, the more you cling on, latch on, or fight for a relationship that is clearly not worth fighting for. Do not lower your standards. Do not lower your expectations. On the contrary, you should raise your expectations, and you should be willing and happy to walk away until this man acknowledges his shortcomings and until he gives you the treatment and the respect that you deserve. That is what I told my client, and that is what I'm trying to convey to you today in this video. It is a very important video because there are way too many good women out there who unfortunately are swindled into thinking that they're not good enough because of their partner's insecurities or guilt. Don't let that be you. If you enjoyed this video, if it fueled your fire, like it, subscribe to my channel, join our free private coaching group, Love Advice TV community, and book a private coaching session with me. Let's work together on helping you get back on your feet and being that powerful, inspiring, confident woman that you are. As always, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video on Love Advice TV.